Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Left 4 Dead 2 story mode. This cooperative first-person shooter challenges you and 3 teammates to fight through a zombie apocalypse. Your primary objective is to navigate various environments, battling hordes of infected, and ultimately reach a safe house at the end of each chapter. The game features 5 extensive campaigns, offering many hours of intense gameplay. Mastering the core mechanics is crucial for survival. You will find a diverse arsenal of weapons, including primary firearms like assault rifles and secondary pistols, plus melee options. Keep an eye out for health items such as first aid kits and pain pills to restore your health. Be prepared to face several types of special infected, each requiring different tactics to defeat. Teamwork is the cornerstone of success in Left 4 Dead 2. Always stay close to your 3 fellow survivors. A lone player is an easy target for special infected. Effective communication is vital for sharing health packs, alerting others to dangers, and coordinating attacks. Remember to conserve your ammunition and utilize explosive barrels or car alarms to thin out large hordes. For those seeking a greater challenge, Left 4 Dead 2 offers multiple difficulty settings, from easy to expert, significantly altering the infected strength and numbers. The game boasts immense replayability, encouraging you to try different campaigns and survivor combinations. You can also hunt for numerous achievements and unlockables, adding even more depth to your zombie-slaying adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.